Hello everyone, my name is Kartikeya Bhagwat. I'm in class 2A. Welcome to another video about the solar system. And today we're going to talk about 5 dwarf planets and 1 minor planet. That is equal to 6 objects we're going to talk about today. In the previous video, we talked about the sun and the 8 planets. That makes a total of 9. That makes a total of 9 objects talking about. Today, as I said, we're going to talk about 5 dwarf planets and 1 minor planet. Before we start, why don't we revise the order of the planets and the sun? And starting from the sun in order. The sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Now, let me give you a note. I've written the names of the dwarf planets and making the dwarf planets in green so people will know what I'm talking about. Okay? And now let's start at the video. Well, now let's start from the sun. And so we zoom past Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars into the asteroid belts, where we see Ceres. Ceres is in the inner solar system. It is the smallest dwarf planet, but it is the biggest in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. And now let's zoom past Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune to the Kuiper belt. The Kuiper belt, it stretches from 30 to 55 AU. AU means astronomical units. 1 AU is equal to the distance between the sun and Earth. Now we'll go to the next dwarf planet, Pluto. Pluto was discovered by Clyde Tombaugh in 1930. It was known as the 9th planet of the solar system. But in 2006, the IAU removed it from the group of planets, and now it is a dwarf planet. Let's go to Haumea. Haumea is oval in shape because it rotates very fast. Haumea has 1 ring around it, and it has 2 moons, Namaka and Hiyaka. And then let's zoom to Makemake. Makemake is reddish brown in color. It is the 4th dwarf planet from the sun, and it has 1 moon, MK2. Now let's zoom out of the Kuiper belt and find another dwarf planet, Eris. Eris is the 2nd largest dwarf planet, and it is the 5th dwarf planet from the sun. It is beyond the Kuiper belt, and it has 1 moon, Dysnomia. Now let's zoom past a very long distance, and then we find the inner Oort cloud, the inner part of the Oort cloud. The Oort cloud is at the edge of the solar system. In the inner Oort cloud, we find the minor planet, as I was talking about when I said 5 dwarf planets and 1 minor planet. Sedna is that minor planet. It is the farthest object from the sun. Now let's see how long do they take to orbit the sun. Ceres takes approx 4 years, and Pluto takes 248 Earth years, and Haumea takes 284 Earth years, while Makemake takes 309 Earth years, while Eris takes 558 Earth years, and Sedna takes 11,400 Earth years. Now let's rank the dwarf planets from the biggest to the smallest to the biggest. Let's start from Ceres.